each on the path.
Grandma and Grandpa are sitting on a bench.
Neha, Vivek and Joy practicing karate.
Pari is riding a bicycle.
Nirmal, he is on his kick scooter.
Pat and Mom are sitting on the mat and bench.
Jasmine is walking with her dog.
Karuna is walking on the road.
There is a fountain in the park.
Ananta is reading a book.
There is a park, looks neat and clean.